Hello! Today we're going to look at how to make a wind chime from a Pringles can. This week our theme is nighttime, and we've sent out some nighttime music for you to listen to and to enjoy. As nighttime is usually a quiet time of day, our instrument this week is going to be quiet but still lots of fun to make. You will need someone to help you, very important, an empty Pringles can, although other tubed crisps are also available, a hole punch, ribbons, string, or the wrapper from a plastic bottle, any of these will do, scissors, and you'll need some things to make sounds as they knock together. You can use lots of different things, but these could include dry sticks that you may have found in the garden or on a walk, tiny pebbles and stones, bottle tops, old pens that have run out of ink, old earrings, pennies, fold-back clips, paper clips, or buttons. Small things that clink or bump, or things that aren't heavy, are best as they will blow in the wind more easily. Some optional things are aluminium foil, felt tip pens or sharpies, and a ruler. Step 1. This is optional. Tear off enough aluminium foil in one go so that you can wrap it around the Pringles can later on. Then, if you want to, colour in one side of the aluminium foil in lots of different colours using pens or sharpies for the sun to shine on. When this is dry, wrap your colourful aluminium foil around the Pringles can. Don't worry about wrinkles and don't worry if there's too much foil. You can tuck any leftover foil over the top and into your Pringles tube. You may find that you need to glue, sellotape, or blue tack the foil down to keep it secure. Step 2. Ask your helper to use the hole punch or scissors to make several holes around the Pringles lid. Then ask them to cut the ribbon or string into long pieces that are around the same length. Roughly 12 inches long is plenty. Lastly, thread the pieces of ribbon or string through the lid and tie them up in pairs on the inside of the lid so they're hanging down when you put the lid back on the Pringles can. You can also use the wrapper from a plastic bottle instead of string or ribbon. Ask your helper to cut it into long strips and you can sellotape it to the inside of the Pringles lid. Step 3. Attach the things that you've collected, like bottle tops, twigs or pennies, to the other end of your ribbon, string or strips of bottle wrapping. Things like twigs or old pens you may want to tie to the other end with a knot. For other things like bottle tops, stones or pennies, you may need to use sellotape or a good strong glue. Once everything is attached, put the Pringles lid back on the tube. Step 4. Ask your helper to pierce 2 holes in the bottom of the Pringles can using scissors and thread some string or ribbon through the bottom and back out again, tying them together on the outside. For a slightly easier approach, make just 1 hole in the middle of the bottom of the tube. Then poke some string or ribbon through the hole and tie it to a paper clip or 2 on the inside. That will stop the string coming back out again. Lastly, hang your wind chime up near a window for the sun to reflect off of and the wind to blow through.